We are in April, the meme tokens are back, and this token here is one you can't miss. How are you guys doing? I hope you're incredibly well. Today we're going to analyze a meme token that's about to launch. In fact, it's in the pre-sale phase and has already raised over $500,000 and everything looks quite promising. So we're going to analyze it thoroughly in today's video. But before we move on to watch the video itself, I want to mention that you'll be participating in a $5 giveaway just for commenting right in the comment box. You leave any comment you think is appropriate, and just with that, you'll be participating in each of my channels, whether it's the Spanish channel, the English channel, or the Portuguese channel. And you'll see the results from each video in today's video, meaning that today you'll see the winner from the previous video. Very important, if you comment on the English YouTube channel, the comment has to be in English. If you comment on the Portuguese channel, you just need to leave the comment in Portuguese. And right down here, you'll put your comment in Spanish to be able to participate. That's enough. Alright guys, the token I'm presenting today is called Doge. It's in the pre-sale phase, as I mentioned a moment ago, and has raised over $500,000. An important thing to note is that it has a very active Twitter. It has a huge following, and one of the people behind this Twitter is Elon Musk, as you can see right here. This was mentioned on the page. Here you will find a lot of information. I highly recommend following the platform, as it is extremely important so you don't miss any details. And always remember, before making any kind of investment, to thoroughly analyze the project. It is extremely important that once you make the investment, you are 100% aware. As always, the first thing you need to do is go to the description of this video, where you will find a direct link to access the pre-sale. I am going to explain how you can link your wallet, how you will be able to make the purchase, and I will explain all the steps one by one so you don't miss any details. The first thing we need to do is connect our MetaMask wallet. To do this, we simply go to the Connect Wallet section. If you have the Solana network, you can also use Phantom. I always use the Binance Smart Chain because it is the most economical. We simply click on MetaMask, wait a few seconds, and then click Connect. We wait another second, click Confirm, and we will be connected to the platform. The next thing we need to do is select the payment method. If you are going to do it with BNB, for example, we simply go here. Here, all the networks appear at the top. We select Binance Smart Chain, and here you can select, for example, with USDT, which is what I recommend. Here you select the amount you want to buy, for example, $100 or $200, the amount you deem appropriate. At the bottom, it will show you exactly how much you will receive. And once you do this part here, for example, if we click, let's say $600, click here, $678, this would directly arrive as our purchase. Once we know what we need to buy, we simply click on Buy Now, sign the contracts, and that's it. The token is now yours. It's important to emphasize that this pre-sale goes by round phases. The current price is 0.050 cents of a dollar, and the next phase will be 0.51 cents of a dollar. The sooner you make the purchase, the better, as you will get the token at a good price. As important points, I always recommend thoroughly analyzing the project, and one of the important aspects is the tokenomics. Let's analyze it a bit. We have it right here, showing that 30% will be validator rewards, funds, and sponsors will be 6.5%. Ecosystems 6%. Play to earn will be 5%. The team takes 5%. Airdrop will be 4%. Liquidity 4%. Social networks 4%. Reserve fund 2%. Public sale of round 1 1.6%. Public sale of round 2 2.4%. Public sale of round 3 5.1%. And finally, the public sale of round 4 6.9%. What is this platform and who will back that token once it's listed? It's always meme season. 2G Neurochain is an innovative high-performance blockchain designed to provide scalability, security, and superior efficiencies for decentralized applications, dApps, and enterprise solutions. The key features include scalable architecture, cost-effectiveness, advanced security protocols, optimized consensus mechanisms, and lastly, interoperability. What is the mission of Q2AI? It is to ensure that general artificial intelligence benefits all of humanity. They will also have a next-generation social platform in the future called Chiver. It is an emerging social platform that integrates NFTs and cryptocurrencies. And as you can see in the section here, they will later also have a game for you to enjoy with your family. It says, what is Among Us Subdosh? Among Us Subdosh is an exciting virtual world full of charming yet powerful memes inspired by iconic internet culture. In this universe, players can engage in battles, breed and collect memes, as well as receive Doge through airdrop. These memes can be used to gather valuable resources and rare collectibles, which can be traded in an open market.
Alright guys, let's go straight to the winner of the giveaway from the previous video. But today we go directly to the latest video we have published. which is right down here. We click on it. I'm going to pause it so it doesn't play twice. This time I'm not seeing my face because I'm in a different setup. We are going to copy the link CTRL-C to copy. We go directly to the giveaway application. Select YouTube giveaway, paste the link right in the section here. We click on start. Click on load comments. Wait a few seconds for all the comments to load. This takes practically no time. So let's wait a little bit. We do it patiently, without rushing, with care, and it comes out directly. We click on get everything. Since I am using another PC, another setup, we are going to filter duplicates, scroll down to confirm, click on start, and in just 10 seconds we have the winner of the previous video. Always remember to comment in the correct language for each channel. I send a hug to everyone. The winner would be Leda9569, A9569. Congratulations.
So guys, I've practically explained everything you need to know. Directly access the links that are right in the video description, which are the official links for both Twitter, the official page for the presale, and also the Telegram group, which is extremely important for you to be in, to be 100% informed of all the events that will come in the future on the platform. I bid you farewell here. I send you a kiss, a hug. Thank you very much for always being there. And I'll leave you here, right here, a video of something important, of another project that is really paying well. So analyze it and pass it directly over there. See you in the next video. Bye bye.